What has made this partnership successful is not only Cyient's technical capability, but also their consistency and commitment over the years. I'm Steve Freeman, Senior Director of Outside Plant Engineering for Fidium. I have the East markets, which include Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Eastern New York. At Fidium, we're focused on delivering reliable, high-speed fiber broadband to communities that we serve. To accomplish that, we rely on partners who bring deep technical expertise, operational excellence, and the ability to scale alongside our growth. For more than a decade, Cyient has been one of those trusted partners. Our relationship began in 2012 with converting our legacy records, including paper cable flats, into GTech. The scale of that digital transformation effort was significant. We digitized record from 374 wire centers, which included about 2 million telecom network features, over 33,000 square miles of ILEC service territory. They have supported several critical functions across our organization, including business as usual engineering, inter-office facility fiber, and as-built documentation updates. Their teams understand our standards, our processes, and our expectations, allowing them to operate as a seamless extension of our organization. As our fiber ambitions accelerated, Cyient continued to evolve with us. Since 2021, they've been a key contributor to our fiber to the home expansion program, supporting the complete deployment lifecycle. Their teams provide field survey services, network engineering and design, job posting support, and comprehensive documentation management, helping us move projects more efficiently from concept to deployment. One of the biggest advantages Cyient brings is scalability. As deployment volumes increase, they have consistently demonstrated the ability to ramp resources while maintaining quality and schedule commitments. That combination of technical rigor and execution discipline has been instrumental in supporting our aggressive fiber expansion goals. The results of our collaboration are tangible. Together, we have enabled the deployment of fiber infrastructure passing approximately 800,000 homes. More importantly, those deployments are helping bridge connectivity gaps and provide communities with access to high-speed broadband that is increasingly essential for education, healthcare, business, as well as everyday life. When I look back on our partnership, I see more than just project milestones and delivery metrics. I see a team that has consistently demonstrated ownership, accountability, and commitment to our success. Cyient has been a trusted partner through our network transformation, operational support, and large-scale fiber expansion, helping us execute some of our most important strategic initiatives. We are proud of what we've accomplished together over the past decade and are excited about opportunities that lie ahead as we continue expanding our fiber footprint throughout the region. Thank you.